Calibration the digital TDS sensor. Put the sensor in the air for zero calibration. Open the calibration software. Select function, calibration function, zero calibration. Input the value 0 to calibration value, then click Send. Function call succeeded will appear in the lower left corner. The zero calibration is completed. Put it into distilled water to clean the probe. Dry the electrode head with paper. Put the sensor into the 706.5 ppm standard liquid, shake it gently. Wait for the value to be stable before performing slope calibration. Select function, calibration function, slope calibration. Input the value of standard liquid, 706.5, to calibration value, then click Send. When you see the function call succeeded, the calibration is completed. Take out the sensor and clean it. Dry the electrode head with paper.